The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) is a non-profit organization that conducts research and evaluations to determine the safety of vehicles. It is funded by auto insurers and its mission is to reduce the number of crashes, injuries, and fatalities on the nation's highways. The IIHS conducts a variety of tests on vehicles, including crash tests, to evaluate their performance in different types of collisions. They also evaluate advanced safety technologies such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning systems. The IIHS provides consumers with information on the safety of different vehicles through its rating system, which includes a Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards for the vehicles that perform the best in its tests. This video is about some of the 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus vehicles.
The Insurance Institute recently released safety ratings for 3 all-electric vehicles, the Audi E-TRon, the Chevrolet Bolt, and the Tesla Model 3, as well as 1 hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, the Hyundai Nexo. 2 all-electric vehicles and 1 hydrogen fuel cell vehicle recently earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest award, the Top Safety Pick Plus. These include the Audi E-TRon, the Tesla Model 3, and the Hyundai Nexo. In order to earn an IIHS 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus award, a vehicle must have good ratings in all of our crash tests, be available with a headlight system that also rates good, and a front crash prevention system that earns an advanced or superior rating. The structure of the Tesla Model 3 held up reasonably well in our driver's side small overlap crash test. The only indication of an injury risk was a slightly elevated force on the dummy's lower leg. Overall, the Tesla Model 3 earned a good rating in this test. The Chevrolet Bolt is disqualified from earning an award because its only available headlight system is rated poor in our tests, primarily for causing glare to oncoming drivers. About half of fatal crashes occur at dawn, dusk, or night, so better headlights can help address this problem. The Chevrolet Bolt was rated acceptable for passenger protection in the small overlap crash test. The structure didn't hold up quite well enough for the highest rating. Plus, during the test, we observed that the dummy's head moved into a gap between the front airbag and the curtain and almost contacted the instrument panel directly. For these reasons, it didn't earn the highest rating. The Audi E-TRon and Tesla Model 3 are the only all-electric vehicles to earn an IIHS 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus award. The Hyundai Nexo, which is only available in California, is the first hydrogen fuel cell vehicle to ever earn an IIHS Top Safety Pick award. Our recent evaluations show that some vehicles with a low carbon footprint also offer state-of-the-art safety.
Thank you for watching this video presented by Cars and SUVs. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, take a look at our video suggestions or what is up next.